Good afternoon, YouTubers. Today we're going to be looking at changing a battery out on a 2012 Hyundai Veloster Smart Key fob. The battery for this is what I'll be using is an Energizer 2032. Now, how you go about changing this battery is simple. You just take the key out that's inside of the fob, push the button, slide the key out, grab a butter knife, go into this slot here. There's where the key goes, and here's the slot. You just take in there and you pry it apart like so till it comes. You'll hear it snap apart. It's not a bad thing. You lay this piece aside. There's your battery. Note that this is the ground or the negative side, this side. So we'll make sure that the new battery gets orientated the same way. So you'll go in here and you'll just pop it out like that. And there's the positive side. Anyways, I just changed this battery already, so I'm going to show you guys how to put it back in. I just push it back in again, slide it into the slot. Actually, you should like so, and then slide it back in. And then it's just a matter of putting the two back together like so, and snap it back together. Put your key back in, and done. That's how to change a battery on a 2012 Hyundai Veloster. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe.